Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about all the questions given under the NCERT book, as in whether it is MCQs or short answers or long answer questions. We will discuss about how you can judge as well as how you can write the answers in exam, what kind of questions it can be asked in your exams. So let's begin with our very first topic, that is MCQs, multiple choice questions. First question is, which of the following company does not belong to characteristic of the business environment? Okay, now here you need to understand or you need to analyze that what kind of characteristics of business environment are. Either business environment is uncertain, yeah, it is the characteristic of business environment. This is the characteristic of business environment. Next, employees, either the environment or the business environment deal with the employees. My dear friends, business environment is only deal with the external forces of the organization, but the employees are to be integral or internal forces to the organization. So business environment don't deal with the employees. Is business environment deal with the relativity? Yes, my dear friends, it is related to all the concepts, all the kind of dimensions, all the kind of policies framed by the government also. So it deals with the relativity concept. Next, is it deals with the complexity? Yes, my friends, business environment is always deal with the complexity, as in initially it is a simple to form, but after taking a whole look, after taking the impact on the whole organization, it became complex to decide whether what kind of environment or what kind of strategy we need to follow. So this is also the characteristic of business environment. So what is my correct answer? That which of the following does not characterize? Does not characterize. You need to answer does not characterize. Our answer is B, that is employees. Clear, my friends? Next, which of the following best indicates the importance of business environment? Importance of business environment. Okay, which of the following best indicates importance of business environment? Let's begin. Identification is the importance of business environment, that you need to identify as in what kind of strategies, what kind of policies you have to make, what kind of products you have to make. Next is improvement in performance. Yeah, business environment also helps to improve your performance also. Next, coping with the rapid changes. Yeah, my dear friends, business environment also helps us to do or adapt all the rapid changes required in the market, rapid technologies required in the market. So it also helps to adapt the changes in a frequent manner. So this is also belongs. So in our MCQs, the option all of them should be correct, because all are the importances of business environment. Clear? Next is, which of the following is an example of social environment? Okay, my dear friends, it deals with the social environment. Social environment generally deals with social values, or trends or custom, etc. It deals with all these kind of stuff. So now here we can check that in all these options what kind of stuff we can understand or what kind of stuff can be deal with the social environment. Let's see. Money supply in the economy. No, my dear friends, this will be deal with the economic environment. Next is Consumer Protection Act. Some sort of rules and regulations comes under legal environment. This is not the social environment. The constitution of the country. Constitution always belongs with your country's economy as well as country's rules and regulations. Countries, all the acts are dealing with this. So the constitution is also came under the legal requirement or legal environment. Last but not least, composition of family. Composition of family deals with the value of family, customs followed by family, or the outputs or the measurements or the lifestyle they have to maintain, which comes under the composition of family. So it will cover under social environment. So in all the answers, this answer is correct. Clear? Next, liberalization means. What does that mean, liberalization? Liberalization means to allow or to freeing of access or to reduce the restrictions. I must say, we can write to allow access to the organizations or to freeing up any organization from their restrictions etc. They all deal with the liberalization purpose. So let's check with the all this kind of stuff, which is the best option for us. First is integration among economies. Is the liberalization is integration among economies, merging of economies, I must say, or only deal with the economy only? No, my dear friends. It deals with the freeing up or giving them access. Reduce government controls and restrictions. Yes, liberalization reduces government controls and restrictions, as in you are not allowed to fix the price, you are not allowed, you are getting the freedom to fix the price, you are getting the freedom to buy and sell goods, or you are getting freedom to import or export in the organization. So government reduced controls and restrictions from all kind of stuff. This deals with the liberalization. Next is policy of planned disinvestment. Policy of planned disinvestment is generally deals with your privatization or globalization, or I must say it is a basic reform of NEP. It can't be a basic purpose for liberalization, but yeah, we can do liberalize, as in we can disinvest our sources, as government disinvest their sources, then it will be giving to the public sector to private sector only. That's why we will consider this into privatization. Okay, or next is none of them is not the only option. So we have the correct answer is B, reduce government controls and restrictions. Clear? Next, let's come to the next question. Which of the following does not explain the impact of government policy changes on business and industry? Which of the following does not explain the impact of government policy? You need to understand what are the impact of government policies. Okay, so more demanding customers, yes, while impacting the government policies, or while we are learning about the challenges about the Indian companies, they are facing the major competition, as well as new entrants can be entering into the market. These are the major challenge for the organization, and whenever the competition increased, they will get the more demand from customer, and due to that the company or the organization will become product oriented instead of market oriented. Clear, my friends? So more demanding customer, yes, it is the impact. Next is increasing competition is the impact. Yeah, new entrants are entering to the market. Next is change in agriculture prices. No, that was not an option. Change in agricultural prices does not have any challenge or any impact on business environment regarding the government policies. Or market orientation, yes, this is the challenge, as it is compared with the market and product orientation too. So my dear friends, it all deals with the option number C is not having impact on business environment or business challenges. They can't impact the changing in agriculture prices will impact your organization. Clear? So these are the 5 MCQs given under the our NCERT book. Now in next lecture we will discuss about short answers and long answers. Thank you.